8. Keeping safe. Children, the 8th lesson in the course book is keeping safe. And now we will do the workbook part for this lesson, keeping safe. Under exercise time, the first bit here is tick the correct answer. Here we have 3 incomplete sentences. We have to choose the correct answer from the given option to complete the sentences. And put the tick mark here in the box near the correct answer. 1. This light tells us to stop. So the options are A. Red, B. Green. So children, can you tell me which light tells us to stop? Is it red or green? Yes, the answer is red. Red light tells us to stop. So we will put the tick mark here in the box for option A, that is red. Red light tells us to stop. 2. We should cross the road on the dash. The options are A. Zebra crossing, B. Footpath. And the correct answer here is zebra crossing. We should cross the road on the zebra crossing. We will put the tick mark here for option A. We should cross the road on the zebra crossing. 3. We should not play with dash. The options are A. Toy, B. Matchsticks. So the correct answer here is matchsticks, that is option B. We will put the tick mark here for matchsticks, option B. We should not play with matchsticks. This is about the first bit. This light tells us to stop. Red light tells us to stop. We should cross the road on the zebra crossing. We should not play with matchsticks. And now we will move to the next bit. The second bit here is to fill in the blanks. We have 3 fill in the blanks here. We have to fill in these blanks with the correct word. A. Never stand near the dash of a bus. And the correct word here is door. Never stand near the door of a bus. B. Walk on dash along the side of the road. And the answer here is footpath. Walk on footpath along the side of the road. C. Dash is the help given to someone who is hurt before the doctor arrives. And here the word is first aid. First aid is the help given to someone who is hurt before the doctor arrives. So children, these are the fill in the blanks. We have written the correct word in the blank. Never stand near the door of a bus. Walk on footpath along the side of the road. First aid is the help given to someone who is hurt before the doctor arrives. This is about the second bit. Now we will move to the next bit. 3. Tick the correct statements and cross the incorrect statements. Children, here we have 3 statements. In these statements, we have to identify the correct statement and put the tick mark in the given box. And for the incorrect statements, we have to put the cross mark. The tick mark and the cross mark. A. Play on the road. And this is a correct statement or incorrect statement. Can you tell me, children? Play on the road. No, this is not a correct statement. This is an incorrect statement. So you should put a cross. B. Listen to your elders. Yes, this is a correct statement. You should always listen to your elders. So for the correct statement, we will put the tick mark. C. played in a garden/playground. Yes, this is also a correct statement. We should always play in a garden or a playground but not on the road. So, C, play in a garden/playground is a correct statement. And this is about the third bit. Tick the correct statements and cross the incorrect statements. Here we have put a cross mark for incorrect statement and a tick mark for the correct statements. And now we will move to the next bit. 4. Mark the pictures which show how we can stay safe on the road. Children, here we have 3 pictures, and in these pictures we have to tick the box where the picture is safe, where we can stay safe on the road. And now in the first picture we see that a boy is playing on a road with the football. He is in the middle of the road near the vehicles and he is playing. So this is very unsafe. This is not safe. We should not play on the road. Now here this is a bus. Near the bus we have 2 children who are getting on the bus in a queue. They are standing in a line and one by one they are getting on the bus. So this is very safe. So we will put a tick mark for this picture. This is very safe to stand in a queue and get on the bus. And in the third picture we see that a boy is crossing the road on the zebra crossing. He is crossing the road on the zebra crossing. So this is very safe. So this is also a safe picture where we can stay safe on the road. We will put a tick mark for this picture. This picture shows how to stay safe on the road. This picture also shows how to stay safe on the road. So we have put the tick marks. And here the boy is running in the middle of the road. This is not safe. And now we will move to the next bit. Five. Let's answer. So in the fifth bit we have 3 questions and we have to answer these questions. A. Where should we cross the road? The answer for this is we should always cross the road on zebra crossing. B. What should you not do while swimming? And the answer for this question is we should not go to the part of the pool where the water is deep. C. How should we be safe in a car? And the answer for this is we should always wear a seat belt in the car. So these are the answers for the given questions. You can write these answers in the workbook. Now I will read once again for you the question and the answers. A. Where should we cross the road? Answer is we should always cross the road on zebra crossing. B. What should you not do while swimming? We should not go to the part of the pool where the water is deep. C. How should we be safe in a car? We should always wear a seat belt in the car. These are the answers for the given questions. Now we will move to the next section. The next section here is let's do it. Color the objects that can harm you. Here children we have some pictures of the objects. We have to color the objects which can harm us. Now the pictures are scissors, teddy bear, knife, and these are crackers. This is a book and this is an eraser. So the things which can harm us, with which we can hurt ourselves, we should color now. Scissors, yes, if we don't use scissors properly and carefully, we may get hurt with the scissors and we may cut ourselves. So we will color the scissors. And next is the knife here. And here we have teddy bear. Teddy bear is a toy and it is very soft. So we can play with the teddy bear. It does not harm us. And the next is a knife. Knife also can harm us. If we do not use it carefully and properly, we can cut ourselves with the knife. So we will color the knife here. And here we have the crackers. These crackers also can harm us. We will color them. Crackers can harm us. So we have colored them. This is a book. Book does not harm us. We study the book. And this is an eraser. Eraser also does not harm us. So children, these are the objects which can harm us. Scissors, knife and crackers can harm us. So we have colored these pictures. So this is about the Let's Do It section. And this activity you can do in your workbook. Children, with this we completed the workbook part for the lesson Keeping Safe.